Look at that. They pretty much screwed this one up.
Wait to cross bridge at Main Street.
Oh, it's got a wait to cross sequence like the rest of them.
Wait to cross Main Street at Bridge Street.
This is a pretty poor railroad crossing pedestrian signal here.
Wait. Main. Walk sign is on cross. Main. Walk.
I'll go check out this one before we go. Look at this one.
Wait to cross Bridge Street. At Bridge Street. Wait to cross Main Street. Wait and cross Bridge Street at Main Bridge. Walk sign is on cross. Bridge. Walk sign is on cross. Wait to cross.
This is a poor railroad crossing, pedestrian crossing.
Wait.
Huh. But you got some LED lights over there, and you got a warning sign right there. Probably to keep an eye out for trains that come through that railroad crossing down there. Look how dirty that is right there. This is poor.
Wait.
This one's going off now. Probably.
Wait to cross Main Street. Wait, Bridge Street. Wait to cross Bridge Street.
That one turned off.
Main. Walk sign is on.
There's these, and that's it.